My dad said you have to come with me. Better late than never. Also, you're out with 3 votes. Intro time. Your second challenge is to make me happy.
I got an idea. Hey, I love ya.
Hey, host, look at this. A new laptop! Whose idea is this? That would be mine. Didn't think it'd be me, would ya? Okay, viewers, vote for who you want to be eliminated on Object Something. Breaking news. A sudden malware has taken over 99% of the computers in the world and is spreading fast. For any computer life here, stay safe and stay protected.